Hi friends, welcome back to Recipe English Educare channel. Today I am going to demonstrate second PUC Biology Solved Model Question Paper 1 November 2025 to 2026 with the answer solved by Harsh Tandle and verified by Rahul sir and narrated by Srishti Balakrishna. So before exposing the question paper and answer, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like share so you'll get the notification as soon as we upload the video. Okay, now let me move to expose the answer. Part A, first bit, select the correct alternative from the choices given below. First, statement 1, pollination does not guarantee the transfer of right type of pollen. Statement 2, compatible pollen-pistil interaction guarantee double fertilization. A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. D, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct, and the answer is C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Second, the secondary oocyte formation from primary oocyte occurs in which of the follicle? A, primary, B, secondary, C, tertiary, D, Graafian, and the answer is C, tertiary. Third, progenies with A, B and O blood groups are not possible from which of the following mating parents? A, O cross AB, B, AB cross B, C, AB cross AB, D, AB cross A, and the answer is A, O cross AB. Fourth, another chemical name for the nitrogenous base thymine is A, 2-methyl-uracil, B, 3-methyl-uracil, C, 4-methyl-uracil, D, 5-methyl-uracil, and the answer is D, 5-methyl-uracil. Fifth, select the correct match. Australian Merpelius placental mammals. A, spotted cuscus, flying squirrel. B, spotted cuscus, bobcat. C, spotted cuscus, anteater. D, spotted cuscus, lemur, and the answer is D, spotted cuscus, lemur. Sixth, which of these ancient non-protected their body with hide and buried their dead? A, Homo habilis, B, Neanderthal, C, Dryopithecus, D, Homo erectus, and the answer is B, Neanderthal. Seventh, human immunodeficiency virus replicates in A, B cell, B, NK cell, C, helper T cell, D, PMNL, and the answer is C, helper T cell. 8th, the drug which is depressant and slow down body function is A, smack, B, crack, C, hashish, D, chairs, and the answer is A, smack. 9th, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called brewer's yeast, is used for fermenting malted A, pulses, B, cereals, C, fruits, D, vegetable, and the answer is B, cereals. 10th, in the year 1963, the two enzymes responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. One of them cut DNA and the other added the group A, methyl, B, ethyl, C, phosphate, D, hydroxyl, and the answer is A, methyl. 11th, which of the following is the correct representation of primer aniline step in PCR? And the answer is D. Given below are steps in the gene therapy of patient with adenosine diamazine ADA deficiency. First, lymphocytes are grown in a culture outside the human body. Second, lymphocytes are altered with a functional ADA gene. Third, lymphocytes are collected from the blood of the patients. Fourth, the genetically modified lymphocytes are infused back into the patient. Which of the following show the correct order that those steps must occur? A, second to first, first to third, third to fourth. B. Third to fourth, fourth to second, second to first. C. Third to first, first to second, second to fourth. D. Fourth to third, third to first, first to second. And the answer is C. Third to first, first to second, second to fourth. 13th, the organism that reproduce only once in their lifetime. Option A. Oysters. B. Pelagic fish. C. Salmon fish. D. Hippocampus. And the answer is C. Salmon fish. 14th, the decomposer especially evident in the bottom of the pond are A. Only fungi. B. Only bacteria. C. Only fungi and bacteria. D. Flagellates, fungi, bacteria. And the answer is D. Flagellates, fungi and bacteria. 15th, the IUCN Red List 2004 documented the extinction of species in the last 500 years include A. 847, B. 784, C. 874, D. 478. And the answer is B. 784. Second bit, fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word or words from those given below. Sixteen, the initial few days of milk produced after maturation is dash and the answer is colostrum. 17th, oral pills as contraceptive actively function by inhibiting dash and the answer is ovulation. 18th, symptoms of constipation, abdominal pain and cramps associated with disease dash and the answer is amoebiasis. 19th, cyanobacteria is an autotrophic microbe widely distributed in aquatic and terrestrial habitats, can fix atmosphere nitrogen is dash and the answer is Nostack. 20. Alexander van Humboldt observed that within a region species dash increased with increasing explored area but up to a certain limit and the answer is richness. Part B, third bit. Answer any 5 of the following question in 3 to 5 sentences wherever applicable. 21. Draw neat label diagram of mature to cell pollen grain and the diagram is below. 22. Mention any 4 assisted reproductive technique that can be advised to couple with infertility problems and the answers are below. Twenty-third, recombinants obtained in both Mendelian and Morgan experiment at the process involved are different comments and the answer is below. 24. Name the methodologies used in human genome sequencing and the answer is below. 25. 25th. Name the evolution of any two plant forms through geological periods from trichophyte ancestor, and the answer is below. Twenty-six. Describe briefly the primary treatment of sewage, and the answer is below. Twenty-seven. Difference between ex situ and in situ conservation, and the difference is below. Part C. Fourth bit. Answer any 5 of the following question in 40 to 80 words each when wherever applicable. 28. Draw a neat label diagram of monocot embryo, and the diagram is below. 29. What is menstrual cycle? Mention one pituitary and one ovarian hormone that play a role in menstrual cycle, and the answer is below. 30. Write any 3 principles to be followed by people to be free from sexually transmitted infections, and the answer is below. 31. Draw a label diagram of Stanley Miller's experiment in relation to chemical origin of life, and the diagram is below. 32. Name the causative organism of the following diseases: A. Filariasis, B. Ringworm, C. Malaria, and the answer is below. 33. Mention the use of the following bioactive agent: A. Streptokinase, B. Cyclosporin A, C. Statin, and the answer is below. 34th. Describe the steps of decomposition that operate simultaneously on the detritus, and the answer is below. 5th bit. Answer any 4 of the following question in about 200 to 250 words each, wherever applicable. 35th. Draw a label diagrammatic sectional view of the human male reproductive system and label the given parts: testes, seminical vesicles, glands, penis, epididymis, ureta, and the diagram is below. 36. Represent schematically the result of two gene interaction by taking seed shape and seed colors in a plant. And the answer is below. 37. DNA is a genetic material in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Yet the packaging process in their cell is not same. Explain. And the answer is below. 38. A. Differentiate innate immunity and acquired immunity. B. Mention the cells involved in accomplishing the acquired immunity. C. Refer to the below given diagram and answer the question. First, name the molecules trapped in the lymph nodes responsible for the activation of lymphocytes that bind to the A and B site. Second, what does H2L2 in an antibody represent? And the answer is below. A. Explain the process of preparation of competent host for transformation with recombinant DNA. B. Refer to the given diagram of PBR322 and answer the question that follow. A. Mention the restriction enzyme that can be used for insertional inactivation of antibiotics resistant gene. B. How many cloning sites are present in the given PBR322? And the answer is below. 40. Genetically modified plants have been developed through core techniques of biotechnology. How are those genetically modified plants useful to humans? And the answer is below. 41. A. Write an equation to calculate the population density at the time t. B. Population density fluctuates due to change in four bases process. Mention and define their four basic process. And the answer is below. 26-bit. Answer any one of the following question in about 200 to 250 words each wherever applicable. 42a. Complete the given tabular column with respect to male and female gametophyte of angiosperms for the mentioned character, and the table is below. B. Which advantage offered by seeds help angiosperm to adapt to changing environment condition? And the answer is below. 43. Mendelian disorders may be autosomal or sex-linked, dominant or recessive. Homozygous or heterozygous pedigree symbols are used to analyze these disorders in human population. Mention the genotypes for the following pedigree symbol: A. Autosomal dominant, B. Autosomal recessive, C. Sex-linked dominant, sex-linked recessive, and the answer is below. Justify the below given statement. A. RNA polymerase cannot transcribe a gene by itself. B. Transcription and translation are separated by site and not coupled in eukaryotes. C. Which RNA polymerase enzyme involved in the transcription of 5S RNA, and the answer is below. Part E for visually challenged students only. 11th, the chemical nature of the primer used in the polymerase chain reaction: A. Ribonucleotides, B. Deoxyribonucleosides, C. D. Deoxyribonucleotides, and the answer is below. 32. Enlist the steps of recombinant DNA technology, and the answer is below. 38C. Name the cells involved in humoral and cell-mediated immune response, and the answer is below. 43A. Mention the 5 silent features of Down syndrome. B. Write the karyotype of Down syndrome. C. What is the cause of Down syndrome? And the answer is below. Thank you.